Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on the notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by copy and pasting using this free website. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. This is the page where you will need to create an account. This is the website where you will be compensated, and you will not be compensated in points, coins, or gift cards. Instead, you will be compensated in cash, which you can spend on whatever you like. Now, in order to make money with this website, you'll need to employ some of the strategies that I'll demonstrate in this video. Because doing it on your own will take a lot of time, effort, abilities, and knowledge. But I'm going to show you how to do everything for free. I'll walk you through the process step by step. ClearVoice is the new name for this website, and clearvoice.com is the website. This page attracts over 470,000 monthly views according to similar sites, meaning that there is a lot of money to be made with this website. I'll explain step by step how to use the website and what you'll need to do to make a significant amount of money. ClearVoice is now a platform where business owners and entrepreneurs may pay to have daily articles written for them. On a daily basis, people employ freelancers like you and me to write numerous articles for them. I'll show you how to get those articles created for free, not from those PLR websites or anything like that, because it no longer works. I'm going to show you a unique method for getting those articles on, for getting new and fresh content every time. So you may make hundreds of dollars for each article you copy and paste from the resources I'm about to give you. You can do it as many times as you like because, as you can see, this page receives over 470,000 monthly visitors. It's a highly effective strategy because a few sales can earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every day. So pay close attention to each stage so you can figure out how to carry it out correctly. To begin, go to clearvoice.com and hover your cursor over the talent network, where you'll see that people are creating articles in all of these areas: advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare software, retail, and a variety of other services are available. As a result, you'll find all of various categories and expertise that you can think of on this page. To get started, sign up for the Talent Network by clicking here. To get started, enter your entire name in these two boxes, so first name and last name, and then click Get Started Now. You can sign up using your Twitter account, Google account, or by typing in your email address manually. When you sign up for a brand new entirely free account on clearvoice.com, this is what it will look like. This is your account, and your name may be found here. This is your profile picture. Of course, you can change it and replace it with your own. After that, you can add a background image and more social accounts. The more accounts you add, the better your prospects of going higher and making more money are. First and foremost, I'd want to demonstrate a few points to you. To begin, you can pick your own rate. You choose how much you want to be paid, so whether you want to get paid $100 per article, $200 per article, or $300 per article, you can set your own rates and receive payment right away. It means you won't have to wait weeks or months for your money. Once an assignment has been approved, ClearVoice freelancers are paid by PayPal, so you can work knowing you'll be paid on time. So they won't be late with their payments or anything like that, and they're really trustworthy. If we browse down a little, we may see other people doing the same thing. So as an example, I'll open this person's resume and show you what they do and how much money they make. So if I go to their profile, you'll see all of these different works she's done, each of which has made her hundreds of dollars. Fashion, beauty, parenting, the house, and the holidays are all addressed in detail. Every day, all of the categories on her page, as well as all of the small posts, bring in money. This is only proof that others are benefiting from this website as well, because I'll show you exactly how to do the same thing. As a result, I'd like you to log back into your account. Create a user account to get started. You can start earning money on the right-hand side. As you can see, my account is currently 15% complete. I need to get it to 100% before I can begin earning money. To do so, I'd need to update my CV. So I'd go to the bottom right corner and click Add Material. I'm ready to start putting those articles together. How am I going to finish those articles? Here's how you can get those articles written for free. Even if you have no prior writing experience, simply follow each and every step. First and foremost, you must go to google.com. That's the first step in getting those articles written for free. Now, you need to decide what kind of article you want to write and what area you want to be in, which may be anything from health and relationships to business and finance, weight loss and fitness, fishing and gaming, or any other specialty or category that Clear Voice has to offer. You can write an article on that niche and that category. So if I'm going to write an essay about finance, for example, I can just search on Google for various terms relating to that specific subject. Take financial steps, for example, and Google will give you with a number of solutions to consider. Let's use the keywords financial tips for small business owners as an example. Now, I'll be able to search through thousands of various articles on Google. So you can look through all of these different articles and pick the best one. And you'll always be able to find new and fresh articles on Google because, as you can see, there are a lot of most current articles from this year alone. And it'll update almost every day. You'll have new articles on all of these different subjects, niches, and categories, but you won't be able to just copy and paste them from Google since you'll almost surely receive a copyright claim, which can be a huge issue. Rather, choose an item that you think is exceptionally good and a good fit for you. So assuming I'm going to use the first one as an example, you can plainly go to the second or third page of Google and find an article that interests you. I'd like you to copy at least one piece of an article after you've discovered one you like. So part 1 through part 3 and so on. Let's start with the first component, which I'll copy and paste into Spinbot.com as an external platform. Spinbot is a free online application that will rewrite such articles in your own terms on your behalf. There is no need to sign up, simply go to spinbot.com and paste the content into this box. As you can see, handling funds is a difficult task for any small business owner. Because of the talents you bring to manufacturing your product or of offering your service, managing funds is often the reason your small business thrives. I can now go down a bit, fill out the CAPTCHA, click go right here, wait a few seconds, and the Spinbot program will rewrite it for you in your own words. As you can see, rather than asserting that handling finances is difficult for any small business owner, it claims that keeping track of accounting is difficult for any entrepreneur. You'll need to go on to the third stage now that it's been updated for you. The third approach is to just open Google Docs. So go to docs.google.com, create a new document, it will be blank, return to Spinbot, copy the altered piece, paste it into your Google Docs, and then continue to alter more parts of that exact article you found in Google. So for tip number 1, I'm going to duplicate this. Go back to Spinbot and pretty much repeat the technique until Spinbot.com has completely updated the content for you. Wait a few seconds, then click once more to scroll down a little further. In Google Docs, copy and paste the rewritten content. Step 4 is to click on the file right here to download and save it as a PDF document. As a result, you can now save a completely rewritten article to your computer, which you can use because it's unique. Then just go back to clearvoice.com, reopen your profile, click on Add Content right here to add your PDF file. Then click on Upload File right here to find and double-click that article on your computer. It's here along with an entire article that's completely unique thanks to Spinbot's rewriting. Now, you must decide which category your material belongs in. I can use phrases like finance, business, accounting, and so on because my articles is about money. I'll pick company finance and personal finance. Then fill in the rest of the form. I'll type in a copy modify work content kind. Because it'll be an article, all you have to do now is create a quick summary and hit update. The more articles you add, the more money you'll make. And remember to name your article rather than leave it as an untitled document, because that's obviously not how it works. You'll need to give it a specific title, and the more you contribute, the more your profile will fill out, and the more articles you have, the more money you can earn. That way, all of the other entrepreneurs and business owners who come first in search for those articles can see your resume and hire you, paying you hundreds of dollars for new articles. And all you have to do is repeat the process outlined in this video. Go to Google, do your research, find those articles, copy and paste them into Spinbot, have them rewritten for you, then paste them into your Google Docs and download them as PDF file. It's as simple as that. It's really basic, very straightforward, and it might absolutely help you earn more money. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I see you on the next one.